The next tool you should know about is the trimmer tool. So make sure that you're on the standard trimmer tool. So I'm just clicking and holding down my mouse, right? Or if I press F6, make sure I don't see that little clock and I don't see that little arrow. So I should just have two double arrows pointing away from each other like this. So let's use the trim tool in both shuffle and slip mode, and you'll see the difference of what happens. So here I have the trim tool. The trim tool really does this. Any clip that you hover over the right edge or the left edge, you can click. I'm in slip mode, by the way. I'm in slip mode. That's F2, right? Click and drag. You'll be able to trim the left edge and also the right edge by clicking and dragging towards the center. So you've just trimmed off a lot of junk. Oops. Like this. Okay, so I'm going to Command Z until I get back everything. So that's slip mode. So now, what if we're in shuffle mode? Trim tool in shuffle mode. What happens is if I trim this guy, boom, everything shuffles to the right. So everything behind it or to the right of what I trimmed now shuffles. So what about this one? If I take this one and trim it, boom, it moves everything over. So in shuffle mode, this actually might be a good thing to do. So what I want you to do is trim off all the excess space, like I'm doing here, in shuffle mode. So now the numbers will be faster without any space between them. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so do that for all the numbers, like I'm going to do here. Whoa. Be careful that you don't. Good thing you have Command Z, right? So we're in shuffle mode using the trim tool. Trim tool is F6. Shuffle mode is F1. So we're just doing this over and over and over to our clips. Hover over the left edge and the right edge to trim this down. Almost there. And then hit return a couple times and listen back to it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice the clip numbers up here changed because we actually edited it. So now we're just giving you a different version of those numbers.